Hootz AI has just been released, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this groundbreaking software. If you're considering whether it's worth your time and money, stay tuned until the end, because I'm going to break down exactly what this software can do and why it might just be the tool you've been looking for. But before we start, if you want to try Hootz AI for yourself, the first link in the description will take you to a free trial. Trust me, you don't want to miss this opportunity to dive in and explore its full capabilities. So, what makes Hootz AI stand out? First off, this software is designed to streamline your business processes, making tasks easier and faster than ever. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or a freelancer, Hootz AI offers a robust suite of features that are perfect for anyone looking to boost their productivity without the need for an entire team. With its intuitive interface, you don't have to be a tech expert to get started. One of the standout features of Hootz AI is its ability to automate content generation. Whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or email newsletters, Hootz can generate quality, relevant content in seconds. The AI analyzes trending topics, keywords, and even your audience's preferences to ensure the content resonates with your target market. This is especially powerful for marketers who need to maintain a consistent online presence without dedicating endless hours to writing. Another game changer is the platform's data-driven insights. Hootz AI continuously learns and adapts to your specific needs. It gathers data from your interactions, like how your audience engages with your content or how your campaigns are performing, and uses that data to refine its outputs. The more you use it, the better it gets at predicting what works best for your brand. This makes it a truly dynamic tool that evolves with your business. Hootz AI doesn't just stop at content creation, it also helps with customer relationship management. It's built to integrate with various CRM systems, allowing you to automate and personalize your customer outreach. Whether it's nurturing leads or keeping your current clients engaged, Hootz makes it incredibly easy to stay connected with your audience without lifting a finger. One feature that can't go unnoticed is Hootz's ability to generate tailored advertising campaigns. The software leverages advanced AI to optimize ad targeting, ensuring your budget is spent effectively and efficiently. If you've ever struggled with underperforming ads, this feature alone can dramatically improve your ROI. It uses AI to analyze which demographics are responding best to your ads and adjusts your campaign in real time to maximize effectiveness. For those worried about scalability, Hootz AI has you covered. It's designed to handle both small and large-scale operations, so whether you're just starting out or managing a large team, it grows with your business. The software allows for seamless integration with various marketing tools, making it easy to implement into your existing workflow. Now, as with any new software, there are some drawbacks. While Hootz AI is incredibly powerful, there is a learning curve when you first get started. It might take a little time to understand how to fully utilize the advanced features. However, once you get the hang of it, the platform's capabilities far outweigh any initial frustration. In conclusion, Hootz AI is a revolutionary tool that every marketer, business owner, and entrepreneur should consider. It simplifies tasks, enhances productivity, and gives you access to insights that can take your business to the next level. If you're serious about automating your processes and scaling your efforts, this tool could be a game changer. Make sure to check out the free trial linked below to see how Hootz AI can work for you. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've found a few that really stand out, and Hootz is one of them. You can find all of my recommended AI software in the description, ready for you to try out for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.